These sentences highlight nouns in various forms: people, places, things, and ideas, offering a comprehensive learning experience. 120. Nouns as people. 1. John is a brilliant engineer. John is a brilliant engineer. 2. The teacher praised the students. The teacher praised the students. 3. Sarah baked a delicious cake. Sarah baked a delicious cake. 4. The doctor saved the patient's life. The doctor saved the patient's life. 5. My friend is very supportive. My friend is very supportive. 6. The artist painted a beautiful landscape. The artist painted a beautiful landscape. 7. The lawyer presented the case confidently. The lawyer presented the case confidently. 8. A farmer works hard in the fields. A farmer works hard in the fields. 9. Emma is a talented singer. Emma is a talented singer. 10. The chef prepared a gourmet meal. The chef prepared a gourmet meal. 11. A child asked an interesting question. A child asked an interesting question. 12. David is learning to play the guitar. David is learning to play the guitar. 13. The musician composed a lovely tune. The musician composed a lovely tune. 14. My neighbor brought me fresh fruit. My neighbor brought me fresh fruit. 15. The pilot landed the plane safely. The pilot landed the plane safely. 16. Tom and Jerry are cartoon characters. Tom and Jerry are cartoon characters. 17. The nurse cared for the patient with dedication. The nurse cared for the patient with dedication. 18. Anna is a skilled dancer. Anna is a skilled dancer. 19. The firefighter extinguished the flames. The firefighter extinguished the flames. 20. My cousin lives in Canada. My cousin lives in Canada. 2140. Nouns as places. 21. We went to Paris for our honeymoon. We went to Paris for our honeymoon. 22. The beach was crowded during the holiday. The beach was crowded during the holiday. 23. My school is near my house. 24. They built a house in a small village. They built a house in a small village. 25. The park is full of children. The park is full of children. 26. The hospital is located downtown. The hospital is located downtown. 27. A new mall opened last weekend. A new mall opened last weekend. 28. The mountains are covered in snow. The mountains are covered in snow. 29. The desert is very hot during the day. The desert is very hot during the day. 30. The library is full of interesting books. The library is full of interesting books. 31. My city has a beautiful river. My city has a beautiful river. 32. We are going to the zoo tomorrow. We are going to the zoo tomorrow. 33. The ocean is vast and mysterious. The ocean is vast and mysterious. 34. The museum has ancient artifacts. The museum has ancient artifacts. 35. The station is 5 minutes from here. The station is 5 minutes from here. 36. We visited a famous castle in Scotland. We visited a famous castle in Scotland. 37. The forest is home to many animals. The forest is home to many animals. 38. The market was bustling with activity. The market was bustling with activity. 39. The children are playing in the garden. The children are playing in the garden. 40. My village is peaceful and quiet. My village is peaceful and quiet. 41. 60. Nouns as things. 41. I love reading this book. I love reading this book. 42. She bought a new laptop. 43. The apple looks fresh and juicy. 44. I need a pair of shoes for the party. 45. The tree provides shade in the summer. 46. The computer is not working properly. 47. He gifted her a beautiful necklace. 48. The pen on the table is mine. It says so. 49. The clock stopped working last night. 50. She's looking for her missing wallet. 51. My phone is running out of battery. 52. He gave me a bouquet of flowers. 53. The car broke down on the highway. 54. The door was locked when we arrived. 55. I packed my bag for the trip. 56. The sofa is very comfortable. 57. A plane flew over the city. 58. The road is under construction. 59. She placed the chair near the table. 60. The mirror is cracked on one side. 61. 80. Nouns as ideas. 61. Happiness is a choice. 62. Honesty builds trust in relationships. 63. Freedom is a basic human right. 64. Courage is admired by everyone. 65. Love conquers all obstacles. 66. Peace is essential for progress. 67. Kindness can change someone's day. 68. Friendship makes life more enjoyable. 69. Patience is the key to success. 70. Justice must be served. 71. Creativity leads to innovation. 72. Wisdom comes with experience. 73. Education opens many doors. 74. Determination helps us achieve our goals. 75. Generosity is a noble quality. 76. Humility makes a person great. 77. Integrity is a valuable trait. 78. Trust takes years to build. 79. Hard work always pays off. 80. Optimism brings positivity. 81. 100. Mixed contexts. 81. The dog is barking loudly. 82. My parents are my biggest support. 83. The river flows through the valley. 84. The stars twinkle in the night sky. 85. He bought a new car yesterday. 86. The moon looks so bright tonight. 87. I forgot my keys on the table. 88. She enjoys painting landscapes. 89. The restaurant serves delicious food. 90. A flock of birds flew over the lake. 91. The cake is ready for the party. 92. I saw a beautiful butterfly in the garden. 93. The fire destroyed the entire building. 94. My grandmother tells amazing stories. 95. He's attending a business conference. 96. The island is surrounded by crystal clear water. 97. The field is full of blooming flowers. 98. The actor performed wonderfully in the play. 99. The path led us to a scenic view. 100. The boat sailed across the ocean. Congratulations. You've taken a big step in mastering nouns today. Remember, grammar is a skill that gets better with practice, so don't stop here. Test yourself, practice more, and watch your English improve every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Q.L.English.